super busy time of year.
It's just coming up to the end of it, really.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
I think 2019 and 2020 should be much more about partnerships, about all of these brilliant ideas actually coming together to form something that is much more coherent for the end users, be those teachers or students.
The main challenge for the effective use of education technology isn't actually the technology itself, it's the teachers and education system that's using it. I don't think our understanding of the way in which students learn and teachers teach is keeping pace with the technological developments.
When I speak to people about digital strategy and from an educator's point of view, it's not just so much about bringing the technology into the school environment. And by that I mean bringing in digital literacy skills for students, where you have a whole program dedicated to their computational skills or creativity, collaboration, where you use the tech you have here to make it happen.
I'd like to see more which starts with the learners and perhaps relates more to the way that they're using technology in their own lives.
Our children live in a world of screens. We see it. I mean, everything they do, they're watching YouTube videos all the time, they're looking at their phone all the time, and then all of a sudden they do this, they're this world of screens, and they walk into a classroom, it's like walking into the 1800s or something like that. It's not engaging the students. You know, my wife, who's been a teacher, she talked about it, she's like, wow, you know, the first time we used one of these things, we just threw a few things up, it became the most expensive dust collector in the entire room. When they started to actually create material that used it and actually took advantage of the interactive capability of it and video capability of it, it became the most valuable device in the room, and everyone was really engaged, and it dramatically improved it.
The really important point is how people use EdTech in the classroom and beyond. It's not so much the technology, it will change and continue to change. That's a point that's been made already today. It's what it is used for that matters.
In 40,000 years, lessons haven't changed. The technology is going at such a rapid rate that we have to redefine how we think about the world. The modern classroom's changing. Teachers are now facilitators. They're really actually guides in facilitating the teaching process. Our brains are wired for stories. Now, lessons are effectively just a story that we learn. We take those stories for the rest of our life. The great teachers in your life, you remember the stories they told you.
What the school system needs is that confidence to innovate with technology, to try and change practice and encourage the adoption of the high tech that we've been told about this evening.